Hey, Sunshine. So we're going to talk a little bit about polygon angles. We've already talked about triangles and quadrilaterals, and now we're going to talk about some of that stuff extended to all polygons. So mostly we're just going to be talking about formulas. The number of sides of a polygon is n, and then that's the variable that's going to appear in our formulas, and we call a polygon with an unknown number of sides an n-gon. So for n-gon, because a triangle is a 3-gon, a pentagon is a 5-gon, a nonagon is a 9-gon, and so on and so forth. So the sum of the interior angles, we've been doing that with triangles. Triangles was 180. Quadrilaterals was 360. And it turns out there's a pattern. What it is actually you take the number of sides, subtract 2, and multiply by 180. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. 1 times 180 is 180. And then you do the same thing for 4. Four minus 2 is 2. 2 times 180 is 360. And you can do the same thing for any number of sides, and you'll get the sum of interior angles. One interior angle of a regular polygon. So remember that a regular polygon is when all of your sides and all of your angles are the same. So that just means you take the sum of the sides and you divide by the number of sides to get the measure of one single angle. This only works for regular polygons because irregular polygons, you have different size angles. So for a triangle, an equilateral triangle is a regular triangle. So 3 minus 2 times 180 over 3 equals 180 over 3 equals 60. An exterior angle is when you take one of the sides and continue it. So this is an exterior angle. This is an exterior angle. You take one of the sides and continue it, so it's going to be the angle that is supplementary to one of the interior angles. So it's 180 minus this formula, but it works out much more simply because when you go simplify everything, it turns out it's just 360 divided by n. So it's a little easier to remember this than it is to work out this and subtract. So these are the formulas that you need to know about polygon angles.